Hello friends, we'll solve problem on projectile motion. This one is our problem number 11. We already solved 10 problems. The theory of projectile motion is also discussed in two lectures, video lectures, that is part A and part B. For theory, you refer that first two theory lectures, part A, part B, so that you'll understand clearly the solution of all these problems. In this problem, what is given, determine the speed at which the basketball at A, that means this boy is throwing a basketball from A, it must be thrown at an angle of 30 degrees so that it makes it to the basket at B. That means that basketball moves from A up to point B in the basket. Find at what speed it passes through the hoop. That means when it reaches this hoop, or you can say basket, what is its speed, you have to find out. And you have to find out what should be the velocity. Now, if you consider this motion from A to B, what data is given, that one we have to identify properly. Motion from point of projection is A to point B, from A to B. Now, if we consider motion, the A to B horizontal distance is given as 8 meter. That means your AX distance comes out to be 8 meter. Now, y distance, if you want to find out, it is always vertical difference between final position and initial position. The basket at B, it is at 2.4 meter from ground, and ball is thrown at distance of 1.2 meter from ground. That means your y value comes out to be 2.4 minus 1.2 meter. That means this one is 1.2 meter from ground. Okay, and this distance y is what? Positive, because final position is above initial position. When your final position is above initial position, y is positive. X is known, y is known. Again, it is thrown at an angle of 30 degree. That means what is known here, theta 0 is equal to what? 30 degree. And what you have to find out is what? u0. Now, when data given in any problem is in terms of x, y, u0 and theta 0, we'll use equation of path for solution of problem. In this case, x is known, y is known, theta 0 is known, u0 is unknown. That means using equation of path, which is y equal to tan of theta 0x minus gx square upon 2u0 square cos square theta 0. Y value is 1.2 meter. Tan of theta 0 means tan of angle is 30 degree into x is 8 minus 9.81 is g value. X 8 meter will substitute its square upon 2u0 square cos of 30 and its square, cos square theta 0. Only one term is unknown, so that easily you will get what? u0. Using calculator, if you will calculate, this u0 value comes out to be 11.06 meters per second. So what we are getting? Initial velocity of projection, so that ball will move or reaches the basket at B. This is first answer. Second part, what is asking problem, if you will check, also find at what speed it passes through the hoop. That means you have to find out what? VB you have to find out. Now, whenever we will find out such final velocity, we'll find out, to find out this VB, we'll find out what? Or VBX is what and VBY is what. If we'll get these two components, from these two components, applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find out VB. In projectile motion, horizontal component of velocity always remains constant. Therefore, your VBX is equal to what? u0x. Now you know u0 and theta 0. Therefore, u0x is what? u0 cos of theta 0. u0 value 11.06, cos of angle is 30 degree. Just calculate this Vbx, we'll get horizontal component of velocity. This one comes out to be 9.58 meters per second. This is the horizontal component, which is nothing but what remains constant. Now to find out vertical component, what we'll do, you know what, the u0y easily possible because u0 is known and theta 0 is known. You know y also, that is 1.2 meter. That means Vby easily possible applying our equations of motion. Vy square means final velocity. Here final is what b. Therefore Vby square equal to what? u0y square minus 2gy. Vby unknown term. u0y means u0 sine theta 0 means 11.06 sine of 30. This is u0y, u0 sine of theta 0 minus 2 into 9.81 into y value is what? 1.2 meter. Therefore, if you find out using calculator, this Vby answer comes out to be 2.65 meters per second. So this one is our vertical component. Now, as you know, two components of velocities, resultant velocity if you want to find out, simply applying Pythagoras theorem, Vb equal to square root of Vbx square plus Vby square. Substitute your value of Vbx, what we have just now calculated, and Vby, which is 9.58 square plus 2.65 square. If you find out this value, means answer Vb comes out to be 9.94 meters per second. This is your velocity. Inclination also required, say angle at a theta b, inclination of velocity, which is a tan inverse of vertical component of velocity divided by horizontal component. If we substitute here Vby and Vbx, this answer comes out to be 15.46 degrees. So this is your velocity magnitude and direction. Thank you very much.